Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva, and I'm here today to review this beautiful lace wig that I cannot get enough of. The lace wig that I have is glueless, and it's from this company called Love Me Hair. You guys see me review their hair all the time, and they have a lot of glueless wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I have in the box, and you know what you will get in the box when you buy from them. So first, I have this stocking cap that they sent me. It's two of them in the pack, and I will be using one of them today. I also have this little pouch that contains some other stuff in there, and I'm gonna go right ahead and open it up and show you guys what I have in there. So they sent me this edge scarf which has their name on it, of course, and I also got this cute little mirror which I believe I have like 6 to 10 of them now because I get them all the time with their wigs. And last but not least, they sent me this cute little edge brush because you just can't have enough of these. This is a wig, guys. It's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached also. You literally won't have to do anything to it once you get it besides cutting the lace off of it, and you'll see me do that in the video. It has 2 clips in the side, one in the back and another one in the top, and it also comes with this elastic band that is gonna help to support the wig. And like I said, it's glueless, so you're not gonna need to glue this on. I mean, you can, it's optional, but you really don't have to. And look how good the hair look up against my skin right there. I just had to show you guys that. It looks so good, I just cannot deal. And just imagine if you was gluing this on, it would look even better, but you really don't have to, and I'll show you guys. Also guys, check out the curls on this wig. Like, coming straight out the box, it already looks so hydrated, so you know I won't be adding anything to it. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of the stocking cap on from the 2 that they sent me, and the only reason why I'm gonna be wearing a stocking cap today instead of just doing it without the stocking cap is because my braids are old and my scalp isn't really showing. But yeah, you could get away with wearing this without a stocking cap and it will look even more natural. Okay, let's just go ahead and put this wig on because I'm eager to see what it looks like on me. So I'm gonna jump right into cutting the lace off of my wig, and as you can see on this wig, it has a lot of lace. The lace go so far over. It is a 5x5 lace wig, but this look like it's more than a 5x5 lace wig the way I got a lot of lace on it. So this is good, definitely. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of it. Guys, I was actually so amazed with how natural this wig looked immediately after cutting the lace off of it. At this point, I really don't need to do anything more to it, but I'm gonna add some concealer because I realized where the stocking cap is, it looks a little bit darker, so I just want to make everything all blend and look all in one. So I'm gonna add some concealer and that's it. So adding concealer is really the final touch to finishing this wig, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. And here it is, guys. I'm all done putting this wig on. I'm not even gonna say install because I barely did anything to it. All I did, like y'all saw, was, you know, cut the lace off of it, add some concealer after I put it on, and that was it. This was just way too easy to put on. I didn't even add anything to the hair itself, like the curls. It's just like it came out the box. I really love it, but I'm not even surprised because 99.9% of the time, whenever Love Me Here sent me a wig, I already know that I'm gonna be falling in love with it. And because it's glueless, to be honest, it makes everything so much better. I will leave all the details to this wig down below, and also I will link their website so you guys could find them. I'm also gonna leave the discount code down in my description box, so definitely check that out. Don't forget to like, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post new videos. If you have any question, leave me a comment and I will get back to it as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.